And number 6, turn criticism into growth. So ano kang gibuhat nga, this is my first creation sa first ever Buholana. So kanina creation na katong criticism nga nadawat, na receive. Like, kanong nga na ang gama, bukat ko no ka, juloyak ni data. So ako na siyang i-accept. Okay, first time ko niya kung gama ko, costume nga, like, for Bohol, under Bohol nga competition. So this is the, during the time, itagaan may concept. So kung nabunot ang concept is Bohol churches. So like, kung ako yung mga experiences of my ideas, ano. So what I did was to create like an architect style, like all the churches, like I choose 6 churches. So yung gaman nga din kanis sa cathedral. Then I don't know sa alam mo to, this is the Hagna. So kalabot ako sa Maulapay Valenciana Church. So kalabot ko si Valenciana. Then the second one was itong Antoinette. From Antoinette ng time, hindi malasad me. Kay sakay naman ang costume sa likod sa sakyanan. Unfortunately, tunga-tunga sa padong tagbilaran gauwan. Yeah, unprepared me kay init man kadyo. So nabasa siya. Paabot sa mo sa area sa likapan sa Antoinette, basa na kayo ang costume. So what we did, lower pero dili enough ang time. So mayo na kay si Antoinette kay sa kanang athletics bitaw siya. So nakaya niya ang pagkatan sa costume. Pero nag-isod siya sa Antoinette ana. So muna na mo ang scenario nga na natabo during the time. And then the third one, at muna nitong sa Hagna. So during the time kay more strict kayo mo ang mayor man, si Ranyola. So what I did was focus dito sa Hagna. So sa costume sa Hagna. So from this costume, hani nga nabasa ko yun to this, na like naka-second place ko after pila to ka-candidate sa 20 plus ko sa tibok ko. So proud moment ako sa then knowing na sa Hagna ko siya gihill. So makuha na ko ma-stress ani kay anang accommodation perfect kayo na kay daw ka sa luwag sa area sa CCC. Unlike yung travel pa kani anang sugag hangin aguli na mo 1 week lumok gubat anang costume kani siya pag abot na mo to giuwan kani iswa may walay sign nga feeling mo nga maka-boosted sa imong artwork. So instead of asking what are they criticizing me, ask what can I learn from this. Okay? Instead nga anong mag-criticize mo sila? No. What sibuhaton nimo is you need to what? Paano man ito ang criticizing nila? Make this as fuel para mo improve, para mo grow pa ka. So muna akong gibuhat to. Tanan na akong experience until this design. And then do not let criticism stop you from achieving your dream. Let it strengthen you. Then number 7, develop growth mindset. Pray, work hard, and be patient. Importante na pray, sir, di ba? Work hard and patient. Di pwede nga sa ibang tubigan, sir, kinahanglan manawag ka og mga customer. Kinahanglan patient gid ang buhat ang mga customer. So success early happens overnight. Ang success sa tao dili kay nigmata nimo successful na ka. One gingon nga you need to undergo process, heartaches, sleepless night, failure para mag-grow ka, para may pong successful. So remember, pray for guidance. So this sa duwero sa nga costume. Always pray sa tanan nimong work. Despite sa negative and positive na receive nimo, despite heartaches, na dawat nimo, still you need to be thankful. Pray for guidance, work consistently, ayaw ka give up, then stay disciplined. So ako sa inyo, bit-bit ko sa ninyo. I thought sa guidelines kay native costume man daw. So what I did was native yun. Okay, sa yung sangat nga harbor man yun. First thing sangat, yes. Medyo na conflict ko sa guidelines. And then be patient with the progress. Di kinakagaman ang costume, successful na ka. You need to undergo process good. So God's timing is always perfect. Keep learning and keep growing. Lastly, we have take care of yourself and give back. Dati na siya. Success also means maintaining physical health, mental well-being, emotional balance, healthy relationship. Kung saan man imong dreams, pangandoy nimo, pero you are weak, physically burned out. So what you need to do is to take good care of yourself, especially for designing, especially that I am more focused on teaching and I only have limited time for designing, sleepless night, matog alas 12, alauna, matag alas 6, kaya magklase na mo balik. So, kaya na sa part na ako nga, matug na ko sa klase. Okay? So, take care of yourself. Kung rest na time, kailangan pakuway. And then give back. True success is not just about earning money. Wala kong ingon nga, tanang success dili lang kay naka all about income, all about money. Sometimes, ang true success is inspiring others, helping your community, sharing your knowledge, opening doors for others. Okay? Doesn't mean nga you have a lot of money, you have income, you are already successful. Okay? Matawag na imong self successful kung naka-inspire na kang tao, kung naka-help na ka sa community, sharing your knowledge. What we did now is sharing our knowledge at the same time helping the community, helping the youth, di ba? And then opening doors for others. Opening doors for others, like we need ko mga assistant, people outside na ko nga, akong paon patabangon. That's the way of opening doors for others. Like siya, for example, siya na siya passion for arts and design. So ako siyang paon nga mutabang na ako. So and that way, wala ko itabangan ko niya kundi ako po mismo nakatabang niya. Okay? So, crazy. Costume, warrior costume,
Okay, so we have
duero.
if you're going to lead a prayer,
So you can give your
make it
best,
soft.
best if you're burned out. So take care of yourself so you can continue taking care of your dreams. Laro na, di ba? You need to take good care of yourself so that you can continue taking good care of your dreams. Kung saan ang tanang pangandoy, tanang pasyon, tanang
Gamay,
part ako
masida,
sa
oy.
pagkulingon is wala, wait lang. Okay?
Ang gamay sila.
This is my brand, which is El Fuego. So these are some of my creations so far. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.